I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs mostly in the upper 20s to the mid-30s this afternoon, even to around 40 over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas. We'll see westerly downslope winds off a ridge of high pressure. Warmer highs into the upper 40s to the mid-50s tomorrow, the 50s to the low 60s on New Year's Eve day. With the cold front dropping in from the northeast, our highs on New Year's Day range from the upper 30s to the mid-40s in the central to the upper 40s to the 50s from west central Nebraska into northwest Kansas. The ridge of high pressure once again builds eastward onto the plains for highs Friday, mainly in the 40s to the low 50s, even the mid to upper 50s over northwest Kansas. The mild temperatures continue over the weekend with highs in the upper 40s to the 50s. Looks like our next chance of precipitation holds off until at least the middle of next week. There are no signs of a big cooling trend in the long-term forecast. Temperatures this weekend through January 11th are likely to stay warmer than normal for Nebraska, Kansas, and the entire central and western U.S. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation is expected to be near normal to slightly below normal this weekend through early next week before a slight increase to near normal to slightly above normal precipitation the middle of next week through January 11th. Key weather factors impacting the markets include quick shots of cold air with a little snow across the north central U.S. and increasing coverage of rain in central Brazil. A strong cold front crossing the eastern U.S. delivers widespread precipitation today, followed by windy, colder weather. Wintry Midwestern weather gradually subsides, but snow squalls downwind of the Great Lakes linger through the midweek. The plains, aside from light snow in parts of the Dakotas, remain dry the next 5 days. Late in the week, light to moderately heavy rain develops in the southeast U.S. Much of the U.S. experiences return to mild weather. Chilly conditions linger in the north central and northeastern U.S. thanks to a series of Alberta clippers. This weekend and early next week, cold and the normal temperatures favor the east with warmer air in the west. On the Mississippi River, rain is limited this week and mostly dry weather next month continues as a concern for transportation. West central Brazil rain last week was spotty and light, while the east central was very hot and dry, a concern for soybeans moving into pod filling. Rain is likely to be more widespread across central Brazil this week, and rain should continue across southern Brazil, which is favorable for maturing corn. Northern Argentina, with consistent rainfall for pollinating corn over the past week, expects rain this week that's spotty. Mostly dry conditions in central and southern Argentina could increase stress on developing corn and soybeans. With the check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.